Today I'm going to demonstrate using SpeedGrader and digital annotations from the Canvas Teacher app. I'm using an iPad and an Apple Pencil, but the Canvas Teacher app is also available on Android too. So I've opened the Canvas Teacher app and I've located the course where I'd like to do my marking, which is the page you can see here. So we go to assignments. We can see that we've got 6 papers that need graded and 1 needs grading, and then on the left we can also see the different assignments with papers that need grading. So if we click on needs grading, we'll be taken to a page with all the student submissions. We can select which student we'd like to grade, and we'll be brought to the SpeedGrader. So the rubric has been set up with a rating, so we can quickly select a mark. This was set up from the desktop app just to make it easier to mark this. We can still enter in our own values here if we wanted to, and that'll change there. So what I'd like to do now is just to demonstrate how we can use digital ink to annotate this drawing. So if we select the pen, we can now add annotations to the drawing. So I'll refer to the rubric. We can see we're looking for third angle projection symbol. I can quickly circle this, tick this, and award 10 points. So this works really well for moderation. So if papers need to be moderated, it's easy for the moderator to quickly flick through and see where the points have been awarded. We can go to hidden lines, the second rubric. We see there's no hidden lines, so I can make a note here, no hidden lines. And award 0 points. We have centre lines. We can put a quick tick there and award some points. Drawing frame, we're missing the drawing frame, so no. I can just change the colour of the pen, and then I can demonstrate that this is where we want the drawing frame to go. Or no points. We can award some points for neatness. Third angle projection drawing, yes. And has a use of ruler or compass been used? So we can say here that the ruler has been used, but no compass. So we can see, we just look under where it says rubric, we say that it says 62.5 out of 100. We can then award. Oh. And now you can see that's graded. So to quickly move on to the next student, we can simply swipe left, and that'll bring up the next paper. And again, we can go through the rubric and mark up where necessary on screen. This works really well if you've got hundreds of lab scripts that you need to mark through quickly. You can just quickly skim through and move on to the next student. So we'll show another example of the type of submission we can mark. So we have a PDF. So this type of visual assignment is ideal for digital markup. We can use the highlight function, and we can add comments in quickly. So I've just used the pen to text. I can add that in, and we can quickly award points. If we wanted to add further comments, we can just go to the comments section and add comments here, either by typing or by using the pen. On the iPad, you're also able to use the record voice function. That'll then change that to speech. That works pretty well. So we just click the microphone in the bottom left hand corner of the keyboard to record a comment. So again, we can just quickly add annotations. And then again, we can add the final score, which is 42. Click OK. Click done, and that's now been graded. And we can move on to the next assignment, and we can demonstrate another type of upload. So this is just a Word document. Again, we can use the highlight function in conjunction with the pen function. You can ask questions, leave remarks and comments. This rubric is just, this has been set up without a rubric, but we can add points there. Click done. And that's it. That's how you use SpeedGrader and digital annotation on the Canvas Teacher app.